Traders afternoon. It's just past midday here at Perth. It is, what is it, Tuesday, 13th. So I did get market open yesterday. I traded TROV. If you didn't see the video analysis, that's the previous video that I uploaded. Normally, all the thumbnails are with stocks to trade in the background. So this week I'm going to use as sort of a gauge on whether or not I'm going to keep stocks to trade, because I have had a few issues with it. Yesterday it did work really well. I didn't get up for market close. My thoughts on market close is that I probably just won't go to sleep. So I'll stay up and then go to sleep after, especially this week because I've got this week off from work. So, but what I'll do here is, what I did notice though was my size sort of, okay, so the volume was the volume was quite low as well. I guess it was a Monday. The Dow Jones did recover 500 points as well, I noticed, but overall, that obviously doesn't necessarily mean crappy penny stocks are going to be running. So, all right, MGTI. I didn't read this JP Morgan's piece on featuring on Seeking Alpha, but anyway, so it's downtrending, but it's a tough one to sell MGTI currently. It would be like a long-term hold type position. So, all right, and then didn't really do too much. E-man, this was it's like virtual reality or something along those lines, I believe. Interesting little, no real setup, to be honest. CTRV, I don't know why I had this one up. Close up one. I'll see how TROV finished as well. Just like curiosity. It was a chase failed breakout. Yep, as you can see. So buying at the high, you know what? I probably missed the main move, but the problem was I just didn't cut losses quickly because I left. This is the first time I've ever done that. Do not do that. Just if you have to go for some reason, it was a dog and a cat that I have, and have a disagreement. Just close out. I had like 3 seconds. I was like, no, I'll leave it open in case it runs. Don't do that. Don't be greedy. Just close out immediately. So, all right, POTN. With this here, I was trying to work out if you can put stops in, and I don't really think you can. I might do some research on the YouTube site that they've got for stocks to trade, but or maybe you can. You could set a stop in it. I guess you could. You just enter it, as another order once the first one's running. So anyway, PSTN's interesting. I wouldn't really call this a watch list. This is more a recap. This is what I do every single time I turn the computer on. I just want to see what's happened and what the big movers. I'm just gonna have some more. I've got a parched throat. Well, there might be a little bit of background noise. The temperature in Perth today is really nice, so I've got the windows open, airing out the office a little bit because it smells. Because I have flatulence sometimes, and it just happens. Look, MTUU. I am going to bring MTU up. I didn't actually I probably, after I made the ROV trade, I was still watching till about midnight, but I didn't really see anything. I didn't take another trade. So I'm a very disciplined trader, very conservative. So you're never going to see a whole bunch of trades going at the same time. I'm one trade, move on to the next one type of person. And that's one thing you've got to really appreciate is you've got to understand who you are as a trader as well. You can't just sort of just because it works for someone, it doesn't mean it's going to work for you. Okay, so there was an acquisition. Okay, so it's a weed play. It's cannabis time. I don't quite understand though about this. This is it's done for the last 5 days. It's done. I don't. Wow. Okay. I guess the last 5 days. Okay, so that would have been Friday. Oh, okay. Well, we'll see what happens with this one. It's interesting. It's up on the scanner at least. So up 65%, 1.66 million. So get that out of the way. Average volume is 33 shares. Okay, so it's an absolute, just tiny trader company. Anyway, going to conclude the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Watch list will come this evening at around 9 o'clock, which would be on 9:30 Perth time, which would be 8:30 New York time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.